Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to view customer ID on Trading 212. Customer ID is a unique number or code that identifies individual's account on Trading 212. To view customer ID, first open your Trading 212 application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to Home. Now tap on three lines on down right corner. Then scroll down and look for Settings. With this, tap on Settings. Now here you can see various of settings option. Tap on My Account option on first. With this, now tap on Account Details. Then here you can see Customer ID. You can tap on the customer ID and copy the customer ID. Similarly, you can also see your Invest account ID. This is how we can view customer ID on Trading 212. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.